Today we are in Golden Dragon. It's in Udmata. We are here actually. This is the place we're gonna eat tonight. Let's see how good the food is. The table
The process
is.
is the same of eating.
This is the setup. We are sitting inside of this small area. Now you can see the outside as well. Today is Saturday. I still have to edit one video that is sitting on my computer. Just 5 minutes. Thank you. The one sitting in my computer, I'm trying to move the data. It's like three different cameras, so it's difficult to manage everything for a new guy. Anyways, today we are on DJI Pocket 3 with the wireless mic mini, DJI mic mini. And what are we eating? What's for me? You don't recommend anything? Yeah.
Zero chili chicken and chili garlic sauce or chicken Manchurian.
Chicken in black pepper sauce. It will be good. They have ramen also. Dragon curry noodles. Just one fried rice. Oh, they have mojito on the picture. No. We spent all day in sofa watching and searching for Chinese restaurants and
We'll try
whatnot.
this and we'll compare to eating meat because the prices
We'll
are the
compare.
same.
It's the same prices. I think it will be good.
Yeah, but
The way it's set, the setup, the way the things are, I think this will be good also. Anyways, this
chicken
is
lollipop.
this is the new right side of my headphone,
You're saying it?
and I found the one that I lost same time when I got back home. She found it vacuuming and then it's under the window curtain. And I've searched that area three times, same area. I've searched the outdoors, indoors. Even I searched the litter boxes of cats for my headphone, and this cost me 290 dirhams. Imagine you go back home after spending 290. Mojito? Yeah, I'll get one
They
mojito.
have watermelon.
Varieties.
All syrup?
Also, nothing is real fresh.
Yeah.
Fresh watermelon.
You have fresh watermelon juice?
Fresh
That's
watermelon and fresh orange juice.
fresh watermelon for
Fresh
me.
water. Okay, I just repeat your order now. One portion chicken hot and sour soup, one chicken lollipop, in curry chicken with black pepper, more spicy, one Szechuan fried rice, egg, but it will be fried egg on the side, and one fresh watermelon juice and Coke lobster. Alright?
That's
Is
it.
there any
Thank
food
you.
allergy, food concern, sir?
No, thank you so much.
Yeah, let's start your food, sir.
Okay, as I was saying, I went there. I took an appointment, called them in the afternoon. I went there, the Apple store. I'm asking the guy if I'll find the one I lost already. It's somewhere in the house. I can use it. He said, yeah, you can use it. The one thing I didn't ask him if I can return this. And I didn't check the invoice. So on the invoice it says no returns. Of course, it's an accessory. So there is no returns. So 290 goes. It's like within 5 minutes when we are back home. She brings me that thing. She's like, you will cry. I said, why?
You know why?
And she brings it like this. Here you go.
I told you not to because I have an AirPod.
Ah,
He
yeah,
doesn't
yeah.
wanna. I have an AirPods. I told him to borrow it. He doesn't want to borrow it. What's the problem, bro? So now, minus 298 dirhams. Kashing, kashing!
I'll give you discount. 200. Sell it for 200. But this is AirPods 4, huh? We get back when we have food. Look at the plate. What I like is these, the cutleries in different restaurants are like that. I always see these different.
It's love the day.
There.
Just got paid.
Okay, boys, we have our first thing. That is hot and sour soup. Attack! Oh, it looks. Wait a minute. Let me bring it down.
Not that hot, not that sour.
Not that sour. There is. I see green chilies here. Yeah. Because the cafes are. They do whatever they like. No extra everything. That's why this is good. No, good quality.
I can still taste it.
No. You just don't wanna like this restaurant.
No, it's
You
okay.
change your mind since you left the home. This chicken is better than the one we had last time. No
It's
problem.
okay.
We eat it. That's good.
You want some chili vinegar?
Ah, yeah. Vinegar and this is soy sauce, right?
The sauce. Yeah,
Ah.
chili vinegar.
Yeah. Thank you.
No.
Let's add this. This will make it spicy. Narang.
At the, ano,
Here's my watermelon, fresh watermelon. Thank you. Oh, this looks what I was expecting. It looks the same way. And this will be good because of the sauce. And she wants to make TikToks. And the first, after the first clip, she's like, David, I'm hungry. Wait, you know what? Video, oh, you can make very good videos. Next time, Nala. Huh?
Next time, mujibu lagi na.
Rice and chicken, spicy black pepper. It's like our Chinese, desi Chinese. Chicken is so soft with this sauce. You make me happy. Someone's not happy tonight.
Good.
Next time, if I want, I'm going here. If I want spicy Chinese, I'll go here. Get the same thing.
Don't get the same thing. Try something else.
Refill time. I've been loving you so long. Oh, it's very good.
Right?
Oh, it's
You need
very.
anything else?
That's all. But this is Zabardast. Look at this.
Can do that.
Demolished. Look at this. I will clean it. It's just like I'm home. Nobody's watching me anyways. Ooh la la. Look at this. Look at this. This is no joke. Believe me, trust my word. Once you are here, if you have this Pakistani, Chinese, Pakistani, Indian, Chinese taste buds, go here. Okay, boys, we done here. This is the one. This is the
Golden
place.
Dragon.
Golden Dragon Restaurant. They say this is the very first Chinese restaurant here in UAE. It was opened in 1976. Now they are changing it into mix up. Are there Pan Asian is the one? And it's right here. I saw it before. I never knew that this is this close to my old house. Anyways, that time I didn't have funds as well. Now we are going to Cakewalk. Look at the excitement. We're gonna go walk all the way here. There we'll cross the bridge. On the other side there is Cakewalk. She was about to order in the afternoon. She's checking the app, everything. She added three different slices and whatever the thing. Now when it comes to delivery, the delivery is 9 dirham because it's not on Pro. Talabat Pro also.
No,
The
it's
service.
not Pro, but you have to order 60.
Minimum 60. Okay, whatever this happened is
No, because I also think that it will melt. It's too far.
she
Karama
she the moment she saw the prices she became cheap.
No.
She's like
It's too far. It will melt.
it will not be good also.
It's not the price.
This area,
Name your price.
yeah, so many nice cafes here on the side of this highway. It's a highway, right? There are gaming zones. Very nice place, shisha cafes. There's a gym over here. I was living right over there on that side. Over there, like 2-3 buildings away. We used to walk all the way here. There is this, what do you call, the gaming zone. We come here to play Dota and then we play also PUBG. That time it was very famous. One of my friend, he goes here, Popeye. He goes here at evening time. He will come back tomorrow morning or maybe afternoon. He spends like more than 12 hours here. It's nice here. There's a barber. Oh, they have a cat. You'll wait? But yeah, the cakewalk will be closed. Let's go there. There will be more on that side. Let's cross the bridge. Since she decided to walk, no, it will take time. You decided to walk, so I will leave my, what do you call, barber stuff, and I'll make you walk on the bridge. When we got out of the house, 1 minute on the side, I'm waiting for taxi, and she's like, "You didn't book?" I said, "You can wait 4-5 minutes outside." We used to walk here middle of the night. From there on that corner there will be the You cannot use the. You have to. You have to what? Look at the view. Highway, frame, Burj Khalifa, all together. We'll cross over here. We have to. These are the, very early days of my life here, the core memories. You walk through here with your buddies. You live in a, big sharing room. 3 or 4 of you go to over that side to play video games, even though you are 25 years old. And still you go, you cross this, we cross this, up and the other side, then we stay there all night, sometime half night, midnight we go back, we eat, we drink chai from the other side. There is a very famous, I don't know what kind of, it's like Indian, but which area I don't know, but they have fresh tea. They do this lami chai, long tea, so they make that, then we drink that in the middle of the night around 3 o'clock. Then we sit down and plan everything. When we have, when we have three or 4 broke friends, we plan everything how we get them to do stuff, because they are just lazy. They don't do nothing that time.
Yeah, but now the broke
Yeah.
friend.
Now the broke friend is no more broke. He's making other people broke. Oh, we are near Cakewalk. Back then I had a very cheap insurance as well. Well, believe me, if you don't have insurance in UAE, there's no survival here. You have to have insurance, and a good one. Otherwise, you still have to pay a lot. If you just get a cheap one, like 2,000 dirham for a year, that's a cheap one. If you get that, then the bill comes up, and you have to pay 50%, and the medical is expensive here. Let's say your bill is 20,000, you still have to pay 10,000. So it's like that. She walked away from the hospital without paying anything. She stayed there for maybe a week. They did everything. They tested everything on you, right? in the hospital. Okay, we are here. This is an OG cake shop as well. Very old. I used to buy cakes here because the office was near. Whenever there is a birthday or any party celebration, I walk here to buy these. The favorite one was tiramisu.
One slice of the red.
Where is tiramisu?
Red velvet.
I'll get this one. They also have fresh breads than this. I forgot about this. Yeah, you remind me of Karama now, Raman, when I lived here and I lived my life to the fullest. We used to celebrate almost every single birthdays, and what we do is I get it from here. How much is it? 105 dirham. I think that was the price at that time. 105 for a big cake. Anyways, this is mine. There you go. I don't want to drop it, but it's like this. Oh, let's do the quality check. Oh, it's the same. So you will walk from here to Burjuman now. 10,000 steps from here to Pokla's home. This is heavy. Fararashara. It's always like this. The Karama is always like this. Look at all the way. There is all traffic jammed all the way. And we used to go around this area at night. Again, same thing. This is the old school vibe from your hometown. You have stationery shops, you have small barber shops, you have uniform shops, sports shops. This is good. No, I can erase also with this. Oh, this
Where
is.
are you from? You don't know.
I never tried raising
Oh yeah, this first.
ball points. I'll get one is this, and what's the other good one? One is this. This is good. Pilot. What's the other good one? Blue is the standard color, na? Yeah. This one. Okay, I know already. I can try here.
Yes.
I'm left-handed, but yeah, okay. One and one there.
You didn't study, no. Why you don't know?
No, we have one type only. There is only piano. You know piano? The old school piano? That's the only thing we had. And teacher said don't use it. Your handwriting will be worse. That's cheating, no?
No, because if you, it looks cleaner.
And then erase it. We check it all the time. It will not be cleared.
No, in the future when you cleaned
Thank
it
you.
already.
How are you, Kuya? Show me this, show me this.
Pinoy restaurant, sir.
Ah,
This is a very-
my problem is I don't eat fish. You have chicken.
I have
Ah,
chicken, sir.
chicken.
Yes, yes, chicken.
Mojito, how is mojito? Good?
Oh, good mojitos.
I can get one. Now I can get one. Because I want to try mojito only.
Yes, mojito.
I was about to drink this. I'll just get this. Here, huh? Can I get one, please? Mojito only. There's the guys on the counter over there. They are making. Yo, I asked for something. This turned out to be something else. What's this? Kuya, what's this?
Yes, sir.
It will not go like
Yes,
boom,
yes,
right?
yes.
Hey, you think it's good?
Yes,
Ah, thank you, Kuya. Yo. I was actually very thirsty. I was thinking to drink something very cold. Oh, it's strong. Let's go upstairs. We are done. Kuya, how much is it?
13, sir.
13?
Yes.
Wow, why is so cheap? Yeah.
13, sir. Thank you, sir.
No, me? You are Kabayan? Where are you from? Nepal. Me? No, Pakistan. Thank you, Guya. Well, that was unexpected. Thank you. I just walked in for mojito. I thought I'm gonna get it in a glass, like takeaway thing. That comes with a blast. Let's go walk. There you have it, the surprise of the night, this mojito thing. We are done. It's just a regular life, you know, here in Dubai. But very, very lasting. If you add up this 1020, 1020, 5, 1020, you end up spending maybe around 200 if you go out like this, these evenings or whatever. Anyways, until next time.